How to clear your recent list on Snapchat. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your recent list on Snapchat. This may also include your recent search history. Now you need to first open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. By default, you will land on this camera screen. Here you need to tap on the profile icon from the top left. Once you tap on it, now you will reach your profile page. From here, you need to tap on your settings icon at the top right. Once you tap on settings, you will be taken to the settings page. Here you need to scroll down until you find this account actions option. Under this account actions section, you will find clear recent product. Tap on this option and then you need to tap on OK to confirm clearing your recent products browsing history. Also, you need to tap on this clear search history right above and then again tap on this clear button in order to clear your search query history. Once doing that, come back to the home page and tap on the search icon at the top. There you will find your search history. You can tap on this clear all option right here and then tap on clear in order to remove all the recent history from your account. By doing so, it will clear all your recent list on Snapchat. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove or clear recent list on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.